friends, my name is Odie Boggs and I am part of Boggs Family Ministries. Hello from the road. Mom and I are in Cantonment, Florida today, so I hope you will excuse me for any road noise or any bug noise that you hear. The weather is gorgeous today and I'm just enjoying the sunshine. I have a special video to share with you today, and let me give you a little backstory to set this up. The Isaacs released a song back in 2013 called I Want to Be There. It was on their Living Years project, and this song is special to me because the first verse is about Gordon Mote, the piano player extraordinaire who has been blind from birth, and the second verse, my cousins Sonya and Becky Isaacs and Sonya's husband Jimmy Yeary wrote about myself, and they surprised me with this song, and it has been so special to me all these years since then. Earlier this week, the Isaacs were singing in Branson, Missouri, and I had several friends in the audience that night, and so I received a lot of pictures and video clips, which I love to receive. But when I clicked on those videos, I found they had sang I Want to Be There, and it's not a song they do too often anymore, but to hear this song again made me so happy, and I loved the video clips, and it came at a great time for me. Mom and I were in a wonderful service Sunday night in Prattville, Alabama at Summit Holiness Church, their fellowship meeting. Just the Lord came down, and we ended up having a prayer line, and several people were touched by the power of God, myself included. But that service, we had 3 people who instantaneously received their healing of ailments in their body. Sister Deidre Dean had tennis elbow, and instantly she was healed. Brother Ron Futrell had a foot injury, and the Lord healed his foot. And another lady was healed of her back pain, and an ailment that I've had in my body. It's not well yet, but this week has been much better than it was leading up to Sunday. So I am just hoping and praying that I will be healed in the future of this issue. And I Want to Be There talks about, you know, I've always dreamed of walking, folding up my wheelchair and being free. And I love to hear the story of how Jesus healed the lame man. And I believe that one day I'm going to walk just like he can. And yes, I believe that when my feet touch streets of gold, I will be healed. I won't need a wheelchair in heaven. I will be walking and running, and you can catch me if you can. But if God so chooses, he can speak the word today, and I can be healed of my cerebral palsy or any other ailment in my body. And you too, friend, God can do it today. My faith is built this week. I am so thankful that we serve a God who still does miracles. It's not just something that we read about or we hear about that happened in the past, but it's something that happens right now, today in 2025. So please listen to I Want to Be There, these clips that I have put together. And I think these clips came from Hadassah Brandon and Sister April Tolliver, and I loved getting these. It made my day, and it's amazing that we can trust God to work in our lives, and we have heaven to look forward to, and it's glorious. But I'm thankful we have hope for today. Love you, friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time.
Our cousin Andrea, we call her Odie, has been in a wheelchair since she was just a tiny baby girl. We wrote the second verse about her. It's called I Want to Be There.
I know a girl, the heart of